Hello guys, I am back again with another topic SSL. In this video, I will brief you about what is SSL and how do they work. In the next video, I will show you how to install a free SSL certificate on your website. So, let's get started. Security is a big deal to everyone doing business on the web. Learn how to keep your customers and your business safe with an SSL certificate. Have you ever noticed that some web addresses begin with HTTP and others start with HTTPS? The difference is that HTTPS means the site has SSL security. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. It's technology that keeps sensitive information, like credit cards, social security numbers, usernames and passwords, out of the hands of cyber crooks. How? By encrypting or scrambling data while it passes between websites and web servers, keeping it from being intercepted. Once it reaches the intended recipient, it is unencrypted. Thinking you don't need an SSL because you don't sell stuff online? Think again. Your SSL certificate tells visitors you are the legitimate and verified owner of your site. Showing that you're serious about security is a great way to earn trust. To add SSL to your website, you simply install an SSL certificate. When your site has SSL, a padlock icon as well as HTTPS appears in your customer's browser bar to show that information they send to or receive from your site is safe from hackers. You can also add an SSL site seal to your pages to make it even more obvious to visitors that you've got their back. And, bonus, an SSL certificate can boost your rankings in search results. Google and other search engines reward secure websites to encourage all website owners to get on board. No business is too small or too new to protect its online customers and business reputation with an SSL certificate.